There is a girl here. You are, what they call you is success. You are born in December 28th. I see the Lord remembering you.
Amen. Power.
Wherever she may be, they normally call her success. She's born in December 28th. That is time. This is time for God to surprise the family.
Amen.
Allow her. Are you the one? Are you the one? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Success.
Yes, sir.
December 28th.
Yes, sir.
Have I talked to you before? Huh?
No, sir.
Your yoke is broken.
Amen.
Somebody will walk into your life and that person will bring joy in your entire family.
Amen.
Apapaliko from today again. You know him now?
Yes, sir.
It was a hano ku to any man. They got sali him name. He emelikwe.
Yes, sir.
He abashi lukwa.
Yes, sir.
With which padlock?
That is padlock.
Which padlock?
I am padlock.
Say you know when a padlock. I'm a boo come ketara. Okay, ketara bemo. Okay, ketara bemo. I'm a bokem ketara bemo. Prophecy is my gift. If I want to be giving everybody here prophecy, I can do it from now till tomorrow. I was born at the age of 8 years. I started prophesying. Till today. If you open your hand before me, I will tell you what you say before start coming. It is my gift. And we prophesy at age of 8 years. Then on the age of 12 years, we took a vow. And we maintain the vow till today. And that is why there is prophecy with instant solution. That is why we don't have signposts anywhere. No signpost to Zion. But when you come here, you see thousands upon thousands, uncountable thousands. Oh, Chinemie. Anytime you are speaking against someone that God has blessed, you are promoting the person the more. For everything work together to them that trust God. Now, if you keep yourself, I see somebody walking into your life, that person will bring joy. I know myself. It can't know yourself. Private part, AJ school. Where is your mom? OJ school. Somebody will walk into your life. I see you being favored, being favored, being favored, being favored, being favored, being favored. Somebody will walk. I see it happening already. Your yoke is broken. Hey, may the mercy of God come upon you. That person that will walk into your life will bring light through you and your family. The matter is settled. Charm your heads for the Holy Ghost.